In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use chat in Visual Studio Code. Using the built-in chat feature in VS Code can really speed up your workflow, help you understand code, and even generate new code snippets for you, all without leaving your editor. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to open the chat, how to talk to it effectively, and how to run your first simple interaction from start to finish. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer the way you normally do. Make sure you're in a workspace or have at least one file open, because that's usually where chat becomes the most useful. Once VS Code is open, look over to the sidebar on the left. Depending on your setup and extensions, you might see an icon or a tab labeled something like Chat, Copilot Chat, or AI Chat. Click on that to open the chat panel. If you don't immediately see a chat option, it may be inside a panel or view that groups multiple tools together. Take a moment to scan the sidebar and the bottom panel, and once you find the chat area, expand it so you have enough space to read and type comfortably. You should now see a text box where you can enter your message, and an empty conversation area above it where responses will appear. Now, in that chat input box, type what you want. This can be a question, a task, or a request. For example, you might write something like, "Explain what this function does," and then select a piece of code in your editor before sending the message, so the chat knows what you're referring to. Or you could ask, "Generate a simple function in JavaScript that adds 2 numbers," if you're looking for help writing code from scratch. Try to be as clear and specific as you can. Mention the programming language you're using, describe the problem you're running into, or explain what kind of answer you want, like an explanation, a code sample, or step-by-step guidance. The better your message, the more useful the response will be. Once you've typed your request, simply press enter on your keyboard. That sends your message to the chat. In a moment, you should see a response appear in the conversation area. Read through it carefully, and if it includes code you want to use, you can copy it and paste it directly into your file. If you need clarification or a follow-up, just type another message and press enter again to continue the conversation. And that's all there is to it. Go to chat, type what you want, and press enter to start getting help right inside Visual Studio Code.